welcome to another episode of Health Food 360, and today we are looking at fibroids, a condition that actually affects women, and we get to learn more about fibroids, how it manifests itself in someone, and when actually this happens. What are some of the signs and symptoms that you need to learn even before they come over? Are there preventive measures? That is the key question that everyone might be asking. We welcome again Mr. Joshua Migiro Atina, who is going to tell us a little bit of the manifestation of fibroids. What is fibroids, first of all, before we get to understand how it manifests?
This could be tumors, but not malignant. Uterine fibroids are non-cancerous that grow from the muscle layers of the womb or the uterine. So, in other words, I can say this. There are non-cancerous tumors that grow from the muscle layers of the womb. Yeah.
Okay.
Any age.
At any age.
At any
Is
age.
there one particular age that's more prone to being affected with fibroids?
They say fibroids affect about 30% of all the women by the age of 35 years.
Okay.
By the age of 35 years. But they say 20 to 80% by the age of 50 years.
Okay.
So the higher you go, the more you are prone. Yeah. And then they say they usually develop 16 to 50 years during the reproductive year, as during that time the estrogen levels are high.
Okay. So the question comes again, what are some of the causes that actually makes this age bracket become so prone?
When you have lower estrogen levels, the fibroids also shrink.
Okay.
So you can see when you have more estrogen, it grows higher.
Okay.
When you have less, it shrinks.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's look at some signs and symptoms that someone probably might, telltale signs.
There are so many signs and symptoms, but among many, you feel you have some weight, heavy, painful periods. We call it menorrhagia, which is not usual because under normal circumstances, they are not supposed to be heavy, painful. And also, this can lead to anemia because as you bleed a lot, that leads to anemia. It has low abdominal pains, and also that can cause backache. It could cause some constipation because in case it is going to interfere with the normal body physiological functions, it can cause constipation. It can cause some discomfort in the lower abdomen, especially in the case of large fibroids, because it causes pressure to other organs. And then it can cause frequent micturition, where the bladder cannot hold full urine capacity simply because of the pressure from the large intestines. Also, when one is in labor, it can cause problems. It can also cause pain during intercourse. They call it barrenua. Or it can also cause pregnancy problems.
Okay. For someone, if someone wants to get pregnant, they actually
it can interfere
with pregnancy.
with the pregnancy.
Okay.
Or it can act like a foreign body, which cannot allow any pregnancy.
Okay.
It can also lead to miscarriages, repeated miscarriages.